Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Andreas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Andreas. Happy birthday to you. Smack the candle. Use your palm. Use your palm. Use your palm.
The unicorn.
Okay. Did the penny. Did the penny. Did the penny. Okay, and then.
And stuff. The greener pasture of Singapore. Okay, so here we are at Marina Country Club. Apparently, I didn't know it's here. So there's like seafood and boats and arcade. My uncle. This is like mine and Faisal's favorite game, I think. Yes. Do you remember this? I don't know. Okay, seafood. Wow, I never tasted it before.
Secret.
What?
Secret.
Secret my ass. I found out already, lor.
It's a secret.
Ooh, boats. Can we get a boat? Wow. So we're at a pier. Okay, come. You have to be our tour guide. I've never been here before. And then we have Pier 1, which is the Punggol prawning. Yeah, I've never been prawning eh. Oh my god. Love boats.
That's why when they want to come here for wakeboard, then they will come here.
Oh, look at there. I want to see the boats. Yes, Peter's favorite. Barbecued wings. Wow. Okay, what's here? Is it fishing or prawning?
Oh, try to mom.
So you can go wakeboarding here if you have a boat lah, right?
You can take.
Is this a...
You can hire them.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Can we hire them for wakeboarding?
Yep.
Can we do that for my birthday? What?
See how.
Why? It's 2 more months. I think you should prepare right now. Yeah, video. The seafood. Singaporeans love seafood. Yeah, can we go and see boats now? Like more boats. Wow, pretty. I love boats. I love this kind of boat. Pretty. Although I feel like you should clean your boat. Huh? What? Yeah, it stinks. It's kind of gross. Oh, are those oil? Yeah. Is that oil? No, they're killing the fish. I don't want a boat anymore. What's on that boat? It looks like it's a storeroom, you know. Can I make an announcement?
$50 or $60.
I want my birthday on a boat, please. Excuse me. Hello. I want my birthday on a boat.
On the boat.
Yes.
Can.
No, not the Pulau Ubin sampai lah, please.
Can, you want can.
I want on the boat. Boat what? Mau pergi pancing right? I heard. No, I'm not gonna go fishing. Oh, can go Kusu Island and see turtles. His favorite animal. Okay. I don't know where we're going now. But my birthday is on the 8th of August and I really want it on a boat right now. Please, can you make it happen? I want to see. Okay, we're entering the pier right now. It's not moving lah, please. Oh my god, what are those?
Ikan.
Banyak ikan ni.
Ooh, why would this surround this boat? What up? I don't want this boat, it's ugly. Why is it still? Oi,
What?
look at the seal. Why is it? Whoa, why is it torn?
It's called a mite boat. It's a mite.
God, it's so fucking lame. Jack Sparrow won't take this boat. How deep is it? Do you think I can swim? This is where they call it prawning. So you fish for prawns. And you can cook them. You can cook them, right?
Yeah.
You can cook them somewhere here or something. Right? Yeah, but it's something. Hey, you got a prawn. That's it. Wow.
Oh, that's better. Champion. Lawan adik dia 106.
Mine is 37. That's messed up. Seriously. Champion.